Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a master course for your team and then how to import the template that I made for your campus. So basically, before we even start this, what you need to know is that only one person for each content area on your team needs to do this. So for example, one person from 4th grade ELA needs to do this, not everyone who teaches ELA. And one person from math science needs to do this, not everyone. Now, if you teach math separately from science, then one person from math will need to do it and one person from science will need to do it. So just know that going in, only one person, so you can designate who needs to do that. So what you're going to want to do is, first I'm in my Canvas and I am logged in and I'm on my dashboard. I can see my courses here. I'm going to navigate over here to the right where it says Start a New Course. I'm going to click that button. I'm going to name my course, and what you want to do is there's a certain naming convention that we want you to use. So we want it to say your campus initials, so RAE, and then you can have a dash or whatever you like. A space is fine, and then 4th grade, and then ELA, master, okay? And then you don't need to put your initials or anything like that because it's your whole team and not one person. Down here on the short name, you can click in that box if you want, and you can put ELA or you can put RAE, ELA, whatever works for you. This is just what is seen in the little navigation at the top of the screen. You're going to leave this private, and you do not want to make the course publicly visible, so leave this box unchecked. You're going to click Create Course. Okay, now I have a blank course here, so it has nothing in it. So what I'm going to do now is I want to get the template that I've created, and I've put that in something called the Commons. So you're going to come over here to the right, and you're going to say Import from Commons. So it's going to open up the Commons area. I'm going to come down here to the search bar, and I'm just going to type RAE because I've tagged this with RAE, and they will immediately come up. So again, if you are the person doing this for your ELA, you'll need to go ahead and use the ELA master. Make sure you get the right one for the right grade, 4th grade. If you are the math science person, you're going to want to make sure you use the 4th grade math science instead. So I'm going to just say that I'm ELA, so I'm going to click this 4th grade ELA master. It's going to bring it up. You're going to click the big green Import into Course. It's going to bring up this drop down right here. Okay. I'm going to choose the course that I created to put it in. And it will say you have successfully started the import. Please note it may take changes. It may take a while to see the changes. So while I'm waiting for that, I can come back over here to my courses or my dashboard list. Mine's not actually going to be in my dashboard because I didn't start it, so I got to go get it out of my courses. All courses here. And scroll down. And I probably made a silly mistake because I think I have 2 now that are named the exact same thing. So I do. So I'm hoping I open the right one here. Let's see. So that could be it. Or maybe it's the other one. Let's see. Doesn't matter. Either one would have the same exact thing in it. There we go. So now your shell is ready to add content. So this is the main home page, okay? But because only one person is doing this course, or importing this course, you need to be able to share it with the rest of your teammates. So the way that you do that is you open this up here to the home page. You come over here to the left and you find the button that says People. Now, if this is not here on the side, let's say it's hidden, you just come up here to the top with the 3 lines, click it, and it will show this. Now, just because something is grayed out doesn't mean you can't click on it. What that means is that students would not be able to see this if they were in it. So I'm going to click on People. And then this is the page where you add people. So you come over here to the right, and you click plus people. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in their email address here. So for example, if you were adding me, you would type my email address and put it in. Once you do that and you get everybody's email address typed in, you come down here to role. You do not want everybody to be a student. All of you are teachers in this class. So you want to change it to say teacher. Okay? And then you'll hit next. Now I'm going to use my email address so that you can see what happens if you happen to have a person on your team who also is a parent observer in their own student's course. Like I have a junior high child, so I'm an observer in my daughter's courses at the junior high. So it's not actually going to take my email address. Watch what happens. It's going to get an error like this. And that's because this email address is associated with being a parent and not with being a teacher. So if that happens, what you do is you come back and you find that teammate's ID number and you type that instead of their name at kdisd.org and it will put them in. If you do that correctly, what's going to happen is, I guess because I've created the course, it's not going to let me do it. But once you add someone in here, let's see. And you click next, it will say it is validated and ready to add 1 user, and it'll put that person here. If you've done 6, it'll add 6 people. Then you just click add users and it will put everyone in, and all of you will be able to edit on the same course. It's sort of like adding people to your team planner in Forethought. Only one person needs to create the planner and add everyone else. You don't need to all create this on your own. So just designate one person for each subject area on your team, and then just do it from that on. If you need help, just email me or give me a call, and I will do whatever I can. Hopefully this works for you.